Hey guys, this is Veronica, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful cake just in time for Valentine's Day. Remember, next week I'll be bringing you another cake especially for Valentine's. If you need a recipe for a vanilla cake, check out my website behindthecake.com. You're gonna find that recipe and many more. So let me show you how to make this cake. I got 4 layers of cake and I'm gonna start filling and stacking with Swiss meringue buttercream. That recipe you can find it on my blog. Go around one time. This is the second coat. Make sure you have sharp edges and put it in the fridge. Now work the fondant just until you get the diameter you're looking for. I was using a rolling pin and now a pipe. This worked great. Place the fondant on top of the cake and we're gonna start attaching it to it. Like I said, this cake was on the fridge, so it is attaching very easily because of the moisture that is condensating from the buttercream. Pull the fondant pleats out and bring them back with the palm of your hand and attach it to the cake. You do want to work fast so you don't get elephant skin, but carefully so you don't tear your fondant. Cut out the excess fondant. Cut out the heart shapes using different colors of fondant and let them dry for about an hour to 2 hours. To draw the tree branches, we're going to be using a thin brush and some edible airbrush colors. And since it is a tree, you can draw the branches whatever way you want. This is very organic, very natural, so don't worry too much on how it looks. Anyways, it's going to be covered by all the hearts. Now I want to start adding them with some piping gel. Just put them on the back of the hearts and place them wherever you want. Attach all the hearts in the directions you want them, kind of like flow from the tree. As a final touch, add a pretty ribbon and you have your cake ready. To make this cake, I use the perfect vanilla cake recipe. You can find it on my blog, as well as the recipe for the buttercream. So now you know how to make this cake. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one every week. If you want to check out our live videos, you know, kind of like a behind the scenes of all these cakes, go to our Facebook page. Thank you, and I will see you next week. Bye.